What is that? You got the right idea. You get.
Oh, it's so comfy to sit on.
What is that? Because I like it.
Yeah, it makes lots of noise too, huh? Yeah, what do you think?
Thanks, buddy.
Is it perfect just the way it is? You want to take the paper off? Oh, you're ruining it. You're ruining it, Mom. There you go. What is that? It's got cars, doesn't it? Yeah, it's got trucks all over it. What do you think? What do you think? Wow, look at all the trucks. That's pretty, that's what a big smile. That's nice, isn't it? Yeah. Got trucks. What do you think? A dump truck, a bulldozer. What do you think? Yeah. Look at all of them.
Is that a nice pillow? Grandma may do that.
Oh, comfy. You like that? Yeah, it's soft, isn't it? It's a next truck. That's paper. That's not a car.
One more present. You want to bring it over there? Want some help? Oh, it goes with your pillow. That's going to be nice and cozy.
What do you think?
A whole set. An animal.
The cake.
A blankie. And a pillow. No.
Here.
Oh, is that cozy? Is that super cozy? What is that? Oh, that is really nice, huh? Got a matching blankie.